Friends, in this tutorial, we learn how to make manifest, how to create a lorry loading sheet. Uh, in your ERP, under the booking operation, you will find this manifest menu on the left hand side of your screen. So this is the screen where you create what is a loading sheet. Loading sheet is basically a summary of consignment which you are loading in a particular truck. So in this particular ERP, you have got two options. One is for full truck load when you have one to one, like one consignment goes in one lorry. So in that case, the ERP offers you auto-generated manifest. In that case, you don't have to create a manifest. It will be created automatically by the system and stored in the database. In other cases, even if you have a single case in the year when in one lorry, in one truck, there are multiple consignments being dispatched, so your system will not allow you to do automatic. So in that case, you have to go for the manual manifest creation. So in this screen, as you see, manifest, you have to take manifest as usual, not manual. Type would be the main, and manifest number will be created automatically on this particular date. Usually the current date comes appears on the screen, but if you are making a manifest for the previous date, you can change it date and time. And then there is source and destination. So for one source and one destination, you can pick up from here, and then you manually enter LR number in this column, which is against consignment column, and whatever you enter here, and those consignment will appear in the grid. But we have another shortcut method, which is you don't have to choose source and destination here. You simply go to get, where in this column you have to put the source. So for example, our source is from this point to this point, from this city to another city. And then you have destination branch, but not compulsory one. So you will take from New Delhi to Mumbai, and this is the date. This is the date where you are putting up. So for example, we take a previous date of 1st of August to this date, and mode would be, for example, if you want to send the express cargo, give it priority, so you have to choose express. And similarly, you have by road, by air, by train, and multimodal also. And it is ordered by the date of that particular consignment, how it will appear on your screen. So here you see where you have, right now it's not available. Probably I have given a different date. I need to give a date which is under which we'll find. So for example, I give it from another one, from this to New Delhi to Mumbai, and click on show. Anyway, so in that case, you get a list of all the pending consignment, and all the pending consignment you click, and those appear on the screen. And rest, uh, you have to put the vehicle number, connect to transporter, and the moment your vehicle is in the database and the transporter is attached or it's hired from a particular transporter, it appears here. And then there will be other information given on the screen. And then you have the broker details, the route details, every detail would be there, all the consignment as seen in the screen. And it will give you all complete detail of the packages balance already dispatched and dispatched at this time. Same way you have the other information of booking in weight, that is in metric ton or maybe quintal. So whatever you have chosen as a measurement, and what is the total freight, the information will be there. And when you have chosen a particular vehicle, it will give you the vehicle detail, everything as it comes from the database. And so you have here, you have a list of vehicles as well, which is when you put the vehicle number, it displays the transporter name and other information. Here the transporter name comes over here, and the PAN number, the mobile number of the transporter, and all the POC validity, everything would appear. Same way you will have driver's detail. In case the driver is linked with this database, you have the driver's detail coming over here. And so your uh, manifest is ready. So how you can look see a manifest? Same, you click at the right hand side upper corner list and click on the manifest details. So this is the manifest particular for part load, which is going from this particular station New Delhi to Kolkata, and these are the consignment, 5 consignment loaded on this, and this is the total booking packages, total weight, and these are the details given in this particular consignment along with the driver's detail. In case if details are not there, you can manually enter those details also. So this is the manifest you have created, and same way you can print this document. You will have print files, and so that document you can print and send along with the truck. So it gives you total information, that is the total package is dispatched, the total weight in that particular lorry. So this particular challan is that goes along with this. So next, in one particular lorry, in case you have multiple challans, multiple manifests, so how to club those challans, we can do in lorry hire memo. So which will be our next tutorials. So I think we'll close it now. Thank you very much.